welcome back to my channel. So you guys probably thought that I cut my hair again, but I did not. Okay, I did not cut it again. I'm finally letting my hair grow out, but I did find this really cute bob from WowAfrican, and it's more of kind of like a pixie cut because it's super duper short, and I've always wanted a pixie cut, but I'm terrified to do it. The shortest I've ever gone was underneath my chin, but this is like kind of like tapered and layered a little bit. So I'm really excited to try this just so I can get a feel of what this looks like, so if I ever do get the balls to cut my hair, I know what it looks like and I won't be sad and disappointed if I don't like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. So here's the unit that I am talking about, and this unit is from WowAfrican. I'll have all of the details down below, but she is already bleached and she's already pre-plucked with a nice hairline. Like, it actually has a shape to it. I love when hairlines have an actual shape and they don't just look like boxes. So let's see what the inside of this unit looks like. So it's the basic lace front, and this is the inside of the cap. This is the parting space over here, and then it has the clip in the back, and it's super duper short in the back. So this is what the back looks like. So hopefully this doesn't look weird on my head. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's customize this a bit, and then I can put this baby on, okay? So although the unit already came pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached, I'm just going to go ahead and customize it a bit more to my liking. So I'm going to go ahead and just speed through this part. If you guys want a detailed video on how I pluck, I'll go ahead and leave it down below, and it should pop up at the top as one of the iCards. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pluck this out a little bit just to get it a little bit more thinned out, and then we'll go from there. So this is what the unit looks like after I plucked both sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and try the unit on for you guys with the lace on. And then I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, but I literally just cut as close to the hairline as possible, and then I can start applying it.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
So once I apply my adhesives and let them dry, I can go ahead and start to place the unit down. I left it in real time this time so you guys can see exactly like how long it takes to place the unit. This one is just really easy because it was like such a perfect fit. I literally only had to cut one of the ear tabs because it was just chilling on my ear. So you guys are going to see me cut that in a bit. But yeah, I just went ahead and placed the unit down, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull out what I'm going to use as kind of like the baby hairs in the front. And I like to tie these down sometimes, like you're going to see what I'm talking about. But I leave them like forward out of the scarf and tie them down just so that I can get them to lay flat and to go in the opposite direction.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby.
So I tied it down for about 10 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my shears and go ahead and cut the baby hairs in the front, or just the hairs that are going to be in the front. I just like to cut them pretty short. And then I'm going to play with the hair a bit because I couldn't figure out how I wanted to style it. And then I eventually style it. For the baby hairs, I'm going to use my Lovely Bees Edge Control, of course.
Take me to your heart.
And then this is what it looks like. And then I ended up doing a middle part down the middle, and then 2 little space buns on the side. My best friend was like, oh, would it be cute because it's short and you can do the little space buns? So that's the look that I ended up going for, just parting it down the middle and then taking a little bit of water and edge control to slick the little ponytails back. And then I just create 2 little buns. So once I had the buns in place, I just went ahead and cut a little bit of the right side because this is where the original like bang kind of was. So this side was a little bit longer than the left side. So I just went ahead and evened it out. And yeah, then I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of my foundation powder and go over my part and over the perimeter of the hairline. And that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to check the description box down below for anything that I'm using, including my wig head, the stand, coupon codes, the direct link to the unit, and all of that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I post. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.